Sa bawat oportunidad, nahawak ko ang manibela.
Hoy, Daddy, birthday ko ngayon. Hindi ka mag-aarte dito. I will tell the story. Turning 10 is a big deal. Like, double digits big. So, obviously, I needed something extra. It's just a Hernandez brand. Because when I say extra, it's not just a party, not just some cake ritual, but an adventure. And guess what? We got our very own glamping paradise with a dome tent, a mini pool, and a sea that looks like it goes on forever. We slept in a giant bubble, which is basically like camping, but without the bugs, sweat, or the usual actual suffering. Even with the level of comfort we had, the experience still put us in a very tough survival situation. We had snacks, bacon, lots of bacon. But the best part, it wasn't the fancy tent or the pool or even the unlimited bacon. It was them. My brother, who spends half of his waking hours doing 6-7, and my dad, who tells the wildest, craziest, and the funniest life stories, and my mother, who never felt too old enough to play and spend time with us all the time. Because no matter how big the world is, or how far adventures take us, it always feels right when we're together. I feel unstoppable. You're the light. The light of my life.
Hold on.
I'm all in the stars.
My marshmallows burning!
Also, someone still owes me a bigger cake. Just saying.
Alright.
Turning 10 isn't about growing up. It's about moments like this, where time slows down and love feels bigger than the ocean. Best birthday ever. Best adventure ever. Nothing makes me happier than a gift of good quality time with my family.